That means you put them in one sheet. You put them in one account. That account, all those ledgers account prepared before. Now it has to be put in a list. So that list is what we call a trial balance. Is it clear? So a trial balance is what? A list of all ledgers in an account. Any question about a trial balance here? So you have money fixtures, you have machinery, you have debtors, you have creditors, you have capital, you have drawings. All these things are going to be placed on what? On a list of balances. So that's what we call a trial balance. Do you understand what a trial balance is here? Yes. Okay. At a certain date. Is it clear? So what do you do? What is the purpose of preparing a trial balance? Purpose. We say purpose of trial balance. We have, stop writing please. Stop writing. So, if there are errors in your account, do you understand what I'm saying here? Yes. When you prepare a trial balance, because a trial balance must balance, as a result of that, whenever your trial balance does not balance, it means there's an error or there are errors in your account. Is it clear? Yes. So, I'm going to give you the format of a trial balance now. Plot a trial balance. How do you record a trial balance? In business, in accounting, let's say we have our debits. And what are those things you place on your credit side? That's what we're talking about here. So, are you with me? Yes. All assets will be where? The debit side of trial balance. So if assets are on the debit side of your trial balance, the credit side of the trial balance will be what? Will be what? Liabilities. Thank you. Liabilities. That's the first thing. All incomes, your incomes, the money that comes to your business, all incomes are always on the credit side of your income. Yeah. Are always on the credit side of your trial balance. That means expenditure will go where? The debit side. Are you getting it? Yes. Then we have capital. Capital is what? The money that belongs to the owner of the business, but the business is owing the owner. The money that the business is about to pay to the owner of the business. That's capital, right? Yes. So for capital, capital is always on the credit side of the trial balance. So drawings will be where? Debit side. Are you getting it, guys? Okay. So this will make it easier for you to prepare what? Your trial balance. Because the trial balance has a debit side and a credit side. So we have sales. You know there's sales and there's what? Purchases. Yes or no? Yes. So purchases will be on the debit side of your trial balance. So what will be credit? Sales. Are you getting it, please? Yes. So sales will be where? On the credit side of your trial balance. So when you purchase goods, sometimes you have to return the goods. As a customer, you purchased. Then you have to return the goods back to the customer, or to the supplier, or to the business. Maybe one, the goods are more than what you ordered for. Two, they might be spoiled. Three, they might be expired. Yeah, they might be spoiled. Three, they might be expired. Or they might be damaged. So as a result of this, you have to return those goods to the supplier. Yes or no? So that's what we call purchases return. Purchases return. So if purchases is on the debit side of your trial balance, purchases return will go where? That's the question. If purchases is on the debit side of your trial balance, purchases returns will be where? Credit side. Thank you. So you have your purchases returns here. Purchases returns. Purchases returns is the same as return outward. Do you understand? You purchase and you are returning it back to the business. Returns outward or returns outward. So, either purchases returns or returns outward is going to be where? The credit side of your trial balance. Is it clear? Good. Then, on the other side here, sales. If sales is on the credit side of your trial balance, sales return will be where?
Sales return will be on the
Debit side. Good. So we have sales returns or returns inward, right?
Inward, yes.
Thank you. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So, this is how you prepare your trial balance. Assets, expenditures, borrowings, purchases, sales returns will always be on the debit side of your trial balance. Liabilities, income, capital, sales, purchases, returns will be where?